how to fix the missing reset control center button or not available on the iPhone 16 series or any iPhone running iOS 18. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we're going to scroll down, then tap on General. Next, we go down, and in here, we're going to look for software update. So tap on software update. Then you need to update your software. So you need to update your software to 18.1. So if you see the update now button, just tap on it. So you can see here at the moment, in my control center, I do not have the reset button. So if you update your device to 18.1, so update now, put in your passcode, the phone will now go ahead and perform an update. Okay, now on the home screen, if I go into settings, so after the update, now we go into settings, then tap on control center. And this time you can see it shows reset control center. So that is how you can bring back or be able to display the reset control center button on the iPhone 16 series. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.